say a little bit about the book. Mother Maiden Mistress is my 11th book, and Supriya and Jigna, the three of us together have written this book. So my friend Shabana Azmi, whom I just casually mentioned that I was doing a book on women in cinema, and she said, see, there are many books on women in cinema. So if you are doing a book on women in cinema, it has to be different and it has to be the best. And that was enough to demoralize me. So I decided that if it has to be the best, I should gather more strength around me to make this book the best. I found Supriya, I found Jigna, and we met for 3 years. Constantly we kept meeting, interacting, discussing, going through the long line of films from 50s to 2000.
That women were awakening to their own power, to their rights, to have their own desires for themselves, for not condoning or for not forgiving the man for his wrongs just because he was a man. Like in Arth, she says, it's such a simple line. She says, agar he has an extramarital affair with Smita Patil and he comes back. She says, अगर मैंने जो तुमने गलती की अगर मैंने की होती और जैसे तुम वापस आए हो मैं तुम्हारे पास वापस आती तो क्या तुम मुझे अपनाते? And he does not have an answer. So it just underlines how women were no longer ready to just be doormats, to be trampled over all the time. Even if there were few and far between, that voice was slowly gaining strength. If it can be called a movement, it was gaining momentum. So that is what you see even in Fire, two women giving into their physical desire for each other.